So hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD Declarative GitOps CD for Kubernetes. So far we had covered a lot of things like Argo CD course introduction, overview and objectives. Then what is Argo CD, key features of Argo CD, benefits of Argo CD, setup and installation of Argo CD on various cloud platforms including GCP, Azure and AWS. Now in this video we're talking about the overview of Argo CD user interface. So like what are the overview of Argo CD user interface and like what are the properties like authentication, configuration, then OIDC provider, scopes and claims, then secret management, restricting logins. Okay, so we'll also like I'll also define like how you uh, login in Argo CD user interface and like what are the properties of Argo CD user interface. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. It allows you to deploy application and manage their lifecycle in Kubernetes cluster. So if you're talking about Argo CD dashboard, so basically the overview, you can access the Argo CD UI through a web browser by navigating to Argo CD server URL. The dashboard has a clean initiative layout with a left-hand navigation pane and a main content area. So let's go on our UI. So basically this is the UI of the Argo CD. You can see here, let's get stuff deployed. And then you can see the IP address. Like I am using VM here. You can see in our previous lecture, like we have set up VM on AWS, GCP and Azure, which like that depends on you, whatever you use, like AWS, GCP, Azure, we have all three options. I'm using Azure in this case. Okay, so you have to first set up an installation of Argo CD on any cloud like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then you have to copy the IP from the VM details page. We have already covered these things in our previous lecture. You have to watch our previous lecture, then can come here on this lecture. Okay, so you have to copy the IP and paste in the browser, which HTTPS, and then you can hit enter, and then you can see this UI interface of the Argo CD. Okay, so let's get stuff deployed. So we can log in with the credentials. We have also this covered these things like login and password stuff. Okay, so you can watch our previous lecture and you can get the whole idea like how to set up Argo CD and like how to view on how to view UI on interface on the browser. Okay, so give the password and sign in. Okay, so here you can see that we have login in our Argo CD user interface. So basically, we can explore this. So accessing the user interface, you can access the user interface. Now, everywhere, we'll talk about the application. So navigation pane. Okay, so basically, if you click on application, this is the main section where you can view all the deployed application. Here you can see the create application, application yet to no application available to you just yet. Create new application to start managing resources in your cluster. If you click on create application, so you can create application here. Okay, you can give a cluster name, namespace, then you can give the repository URL, then you can give the project name. For example, I'm give XYZ. So here you can give the project name, application name. Okay, and then you can create application from here. You can also see the edits as YML option. We can also create application in Argo CD in our next lecture. Okay, so wait for that. Then project, if you see the project section, then you can here you can see the project section. If you click on application, you can click on new app, so you can give the project name here. Then settings for basically for the uh, configuring Argo CD settings, including repositories. There you can see the repository section. So you can connect repo, refresh list, and other things, do other things. Okay, so if we go back, then application view, show list of all application with their current status. If you want, like if you deploy anything and if you deploy something, we will do in next lecture. Okay, we will do this thing in next lecture. If you deploy something, so here you can see the application view and other stuff. Okay, then application detail. Then if you click on that application, so you can find about the health and all the things of the application. Then tree view visualize the hierarchical structure of the application component, ports and other things. Then let's explore this. If you click on application, if you click on logout, so here from this button you can log out from here. Then if you click on this, no application available to you just yet. Then if you click on this, no application available to just yet. Okay, so there is not any application we have deployed right now. We will do like how to deploy and how to deploy application on Argo CD. We will do this stuff in our next lecture. Okay, so if you click on new apps, so here you can find about all the things like sync process, sync policy, project name, application name. Then here you can see the repository URL, head, path, destination, cluster URL, then your namespace. Then here you can see the directory and other things. Okay, if you click on cancel button, so this is cancel it. And if you click on edit as YML, so it is like working as edit as YML. Cancel this, then cancel this. Then if you click on sync app, so here if you have any deployed app on the Argo CD user interface, then you can sync the app from this button. If you refresh the app, then you can refresh the app from here. Then same here, you can create application. Okay, now if you go on settings, so here you can see the repository section. So current and not any repository or not any project is connected. So if you want to connect any repo, so simply you can connect with this button. You can see here the as a via you can connect via SSH, via HTTP, via GitHub app, via Google Cloud. So it depends on you. Connect repo using SSH, project name, repository URL and other things, proxy. Then save credential template, click on connect. If you want to click connect the repository, then after giving like the mandatory fields like the project name, repository URL, name and other things, then you can connect from this button. Then you can refresh list, and if you want to see the repository and other things, then you can see from here. Then if you click on user info, and so here you can see that the Argo CD admin and Argo CD. So basically this is your user info. And here you can see the documentation. Read if you new to Argo CD, then read the docs here about the Argo CD. And then if you like want to download CLI tools, then you can download here. If you want to develop against Argo CD's API, so you can open the API docs of the Argo CD. Okay, so here you can see the Argo CD API docs and other things. If you want to like make against Argo CD API. Okay, so this is basically the docs and other things. You can use the APIs. Basically, this is the Swagger UI. Okay, so yep, that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium, because on Medium we will do a lot of stuff, posting a lot of blogs and other things. So that's all about this lecture. I hope like we will meet in next lecture. TechLatest.net help businesses adopt new technologies by providing products and services for asserting, learning, and mastering latest technology. If you click products and support page, so you can find a lot of categories like AI, blockchain, DevOps, developer tools, data analytics, and business. Then if you check the AWS marketplace of TechLatest.net, so you can find a lot of amazing products on latest technology. Same for GCP and same for Azure. So we have all products on all the three cloud platforms, AWS, GCP, Azure. You can also check out our blog page on Medium. We have write a lot of amazing stuff on blog. Then you can also check our Udemy page. We have provide a lot of courses on latest technology, and same here on YouTube. So all are free. So that's all about the tech.